Hello, you're welcome to this week's assignment. I'll be taking you through my proof assignment for this week, cybersecurity, and the first one is network port. I just to use the PowerShell or command prompt to display a list of active network connection, listening ports, and the associated process IDs, and also to identify two port numbers and look up what they are typically used for during the video. I will explain which one you pick and what I learned about them, and as well as I will run a system, I will run a service using the service tool within the server manager. So I'll quickly go to my server. So I was already trying to set this text. That's like for the last one, but I'll just clear it for now. And also, so I'll run the PowerShell, and if I use the A, then I enter. If I enter, it shows me a couple of a list of active ports, as well as like a whole lot. So see, I got a foreign address and the listening, like a whole lot. It keeps showing me. So for here, it shows numbers, and also that it's more like if I run the net start and I use n, it shows number. If I use 8, it shows everything. So it's more like it shows the local address, the port, TCP, and also the foreign address and the start. So but I want us to take a look at the to show us the process ID and also the PID. So I'll just use this code net start /o 0. So you see here it clearly shows us the PID, the start. This is port 101 and established. Tells me about the time and a whole lot. So that's just for the two port numbers, and also here I want to run the get service, and also I want to show you the one that are running. So if I click enter, so for this one I'll identify the service that relates to the network connection. So we have a whole lot, and so let me see. You have the DNS server, which is running, and also the DNS client, and we have the DHCP client also that is running, and the DNS server, it resolve domain name to IP address. It stores cache DNS result. It's required for browsing the internet and also access the domain service. And the second one is the here it talks about the remote access. It talks about routing and remote access, and also the remote desktop service, which it just enable the IDP connection and works with the port the 389, and also used for remote management and so on. Yes, so we are asked to create a firewall and rule for port 50,000 TCP only, and after creating it, and here I can just any rule I can disable, and also I can enable. These are just firewalls for protection. And what this rule does is allows or blocks traffic entering or leaving the service on TCP port 50,000. Yeah. The last one was to schedule to create a schedule task to check Windows updates daily. And also, yeah, you can tax. I was able to tax, as you can see. You can view, tax, refresh. I did create one. Yes. So I already create one. This is it. So I can run it, or I can just leave it like that. As you can see, it's already created. So yes, thank you very much for this week. I don't know if I need to talk about any other thing. It's a schedule tax, create a firewall, the service, and yes. Thank you very much for this week, and this is my assignment.